Hi, welcome back, Club 3G. In this segment, I'm going to talk about the EGR system and how to fix it. When you get the P0400, this right here is the solenoid valve. This is the vacuum control valve here, and then at the very back, it's that's the EGR valve controlled through the vacuum hoses. So when you get the P0400 code, what you're going to replace is the solenoid valve, which is right here, the electrical connector. Just unplug that, and there's I believe there's a nut at the back that you have to unbolt. Then 2 vacuum hoses. So part number that you'll need is MR127520. And what you'll get inside is a valve that looks like this. It's got 2 electrical connectors. It's got a vacuum control on the top and at the bottom. So I've already tested this one with a vacuum gauge, and this one is bad. This one lost vacuum as I applied 12 volts to it. So that's why I had to replace it. So if you have P0400, or I might say P0401 on your code reader, then that's how you'll fix it. Thanks for watching.